During the past decade, Formula powerboats undeniably altered the very essence of boating. Intuitively blending crucial qualities, only Formula by Thunderbird accomplishes such finesse of form and function, executing inspired design to perfection. Formula's absolute commitment to creative innovation, coupled with exacting engineering integrity, elevates the standards of powerboat excellence for all time. This continuing demand for excellence began at Thunderbird over 30 years ago, intensifying in the 80s throughout the legendary Formula line. A dramatically advanced powerboat, Formula is acclaimed the world over as the finest. Thunderbird presents today's premier powerboat of flawless design, meticulous detailing, and unequaled performance. Formula by Thunderbird. In America's heartland, the roots of integrity run deep and strong. Here is the domain of Thunderbird and its owners, the source of Formula's fascinating mystique. Understanding the place and the people, it becomes obvious that in a field of pretenders, Formula has evolved and stands alone, a masterpiece of American ingenuity, the standard by which all others must be judged. Thunderbird Products is solely owned by the Porter family, lifelong boaters who themselves demand the very best in a powerboat. Chairman and CEO Victor B. Porter, together with 5 of his children, determines the philosophy, standards, and goals of the company. Scott Porter serves as a knowledgeable and energetic president, while Executive Vice President Grant Porter directs all product development and manufacturing. Wayne Porter is Vice President of Sales. Gene Porter Bruin is Vice President of Marketing, and Ted Porter is Product Improvement Manager. The entire family focuses on maintaining absolute superiority in every aspect of the design, engineering, and performance of a Formula. To accomplish the ultimate in a performance powerboat, the initial concept must be inspired, the design and materials superior, and the production practices precise. With these criteria in place, the level of quality attained, and there are many interpretations of quality, can only be equal to the skill, integrity, and dedication of the individual employee. To achieve this quality, Formula's manufacturing operations are now consolidated in a futuristic facility in the heart of the Midwest, home to a most conscientious workforce. Thousands have already visited the newly constructed state-of-the-art facility, where Thunderbird's legendary formulas are produced. Many are initially surprised to find such a marked degree of technological advancement and streamlined efficiency in this rural setting. In understanding the motivation and philosophy of the people behind Formula, the explanation becomes apparent. Formula is unquestionably the premier powerboat of the 90s. From concept to design to finished product, the primary goal is breathtaking performance on the water and complete owner satisfaction. At Thunderbird, the philosophy of excellence is stated clearly in a Formula, engineered to be the ultimate blend of exquisite styling, uncompromising quality, and extraordinary performance. Tangible differences place Formula far above the rest. Thunderbird's heritage of quality continues to shape the future of Formula through eloquent design, component superiority, and precise production practices. Formula establishes a vantage of excellence with each new model. A product of such exceptional value can neither be created nor offered cheaply, as even a slight compromise inevitably results in an inexcusable flaw in the end product. A powerboat possessing the incomparable qualities of a Formula proves ultimately to be well worth the expenditure. Increased pleasure and personal satisfaction more than justify the investment. Formula owners worldwide acknowledge the financial savvy of spending a greater amount to attain the desired product benefits. In assessing the tangible differences of a Formula, it is evident no compromise in quality is ever entertained. Each inherent difference supports the decision to possess the finest. Formula performs like no other powerboat. When it comes to true performance, Formula excels in every respect. quick, responsive handling, precise tracking, and superior comfort encompass true performance for the exhilaration of smooth, solid, controlled speed. This is the famous Formula Ride, delivered by the proven Deep V hull configuration. The addition of polyurethane foam injected in the hull means a solid, quiet cut across the waves, while the patented Silent Thunder muffling system effectively lowers decibel readings to satisfy area regulations. Optimum engine packages are specified for a command that is powerful and assured. Formula is synonymous with fine-tuned performance. Blending art with technology produces superiority of design. The creative artistry of Formula originates with John Adams, Thunderbird's exclusive designer of the past 18 years. Adams' design genius instills Formula with the consistency found in no other boat line. His brilliant style and meticulous detailing is evidenced in fluid curves and the sleek silhouette of both performance and cruiser models. This superiority of design generates the bold statement of a Formula, always recognizable at a glance. Formula's engineering department articulates Adams' original designs to the three-dimensional CAD/CAM system. Computer-aided design ensures greater precision and efficiency, as many systems and components are positioned in the boat on screen. This precise data is used for many operations in product and process development, engineering, and production. The challenge of prototyping is rewarded by the achievement of excellence. During the prototype process, a new formula is created directly from John Adams' design specifications. A full-size wooden model, or plug, is developed to serve as a master from which a mold is formed. Hull and deck plug construction is an exacting process, requiring precise shaping and skilled craftsmanship. The resulting mold represents a considerable investment of time and materials, and its condition and care are essential. As the prototype process develops into the production stage, cabinetry, seating, and important ergonomic dimensions are confirmed. Many smaller individual molds are also tooled to be integrated into the overall design. The resulting fiberglass parts, impervious to the elements, meld beautifully for a clean, sleek presentation and add greatly to resale value. Innovative engineering continually meets the challenges of prototype development, resulting in improved production techniques. The reward is an achievement of excellence realized by Formula owners worldwide. Formula's mirror-like finish is unequaled. Formula's gleaming mirror-like finish reflects a philosophy of uncompromised quality, not a temporary shine that has been produced through mechanical buffing. This finish is the result of the most advanced materials available, applied by skilled technicians in a carefully maintained, flawless mold. The visible, gleaming exterior of a Formula is gel coat, a pigmented polyester resin, which is the first element applied as the lamination process begins. Directly underneath the gel coat are layers of fiberglass reinforcement and resin. In addition to utilizing only the finest of these lamination materials, each gel coat and resin delivery is tested in Formula's lab before being accepted. Once approved for use, the gel coat is temperature controlled throughout the application process. This initial handling of raw materials is vital to Formula's superior finish. Lamination techniques follow an exacting process. Formula specialists utilize the most advanced lamination techniques and state-of-the-art equipment. The outer surface of the boat, gel coat, is sprayed into the mold as the process begins. Much of the process is accomplished by hand, as patterned pre-cut sections of fiberglass mat, fab mat, and core mat are placed in the mold for a precise fit. Each layer of fiberglass and resin is hand-rolled to eliminate air pockets at every stage. Exact ratios of resin and catalyst are combined by advanced equipment to arrive simultaneously on each layer. Lamination follows a critically controlled schedule, allowing an unhurried chemical cure process, which results in a harder, smoother finish. AME 4000 a modified epoxy resin from Ashland Chemical, is used in the first 2 layers of fiberglass in all formulas and exclusively in SR1 models. Although twice the cost of general-purpose resins commonly used, its exceptional strength and resiliency more than justify the expense. Exacting procedures establish Formula as today's leader in lamination technology. Formula's structure ensures overall integrity. Formula's custom-designed stringer system, a rigid, reinforcing framework composed of the highest-grade plywood, is actually suspended in the hull. This prevents any contact distortion in the hull that occurs with conventional stringer installation methods. Formula's suspended stringer system is first encapsulated in resin, then secured in the hull with fiberglass fab mat and resin to form a structural bond and effective moisture barrier. This unique system also provides foundation for exact positioning of cabinetry and other components. Formula integrates special fiberglass pultrusions as reinforcement under the fuel tanks and engines, in swim platforms, and along cruiser gunwale. Expansive areas such as cruiser engine hatches and cockpit soles are pre-stressed for greater strength. Formula achieves its solid, quiet ride through the injection of polyurethane foam into all hull cavities. Fuel tanks in performance models are also enclosed in the shock-absorbing foam. These additional procedures provide remarkable structural integrity, another difference setting Formula apart. Formula electrical systems are engineered for total reliability. Designed specifically for each model, Formula wiring systems utilize heavy-gauge, color-coded wire for each electrical function. The wiring harnesses are protected within flexible conduit and employ specialized multiple-pin connectors. Rather than using pre-insulated electrical connectors, each wire end is individually crimped, then insulated with dual-wall shrink-wrap tubing. This in-house procedure ensures a complete and permanently protected connection. Color-coded instrument panel wires are first cut to specific lengths and neatly routed to each gauge. Every Formula is delivered with complete coded wiring diagrams for convenient tracing and reference. Formula's AC-DC control panels and ETA circuit breakers are an important feature in providing continuous dependability for safe, reliable electrical systems. Ergonomics combined with advanced componentry at a Formula helm. A Formula helm is intelligently engineered and ergonomically correct for exceptional ease of command. The dash is an angled, one-piece fiberglass unit designed for ideal placement of standard and available equipment. After testing and evaluation, only premium components are included. Elite VDO Blue Line instrumentation, Keycafer shifter and throttle control, and an electronic depth sounder are integrated as essential helm features in each Formula. Available equipment offerings, such as the VHF radio and Loran C, are also installed by Formula when specified. The backlit accessory information panels provide instant readability, while all control switches and circuit breakers are readily accessible to the driver. Strategically placed, reliable instrumentation assigns a Formula helm the important command it deserves. Anatomical perfection is achieved in Formula seating. In the design of cockpit and cabin seating configurations, the human factor is a most important consideration. Formula's custom-designed seating is fabricated in-house to ensure superiority of fit, comfort, and beauty. Rotocast polyurethane and fiberglass forms are utilized as the core of cockpit seating for a virtually indestructible waterproof base. Separate pre-shaped foam components upholstered with the highest quality foam back vinyl provide optimal lumbar support. These special foam shapes also correctly angle the leading edge of the seat to ease leg fatigue. All cockpit upholstery is specially treated to resist soiling, and Formula's custom white vinyl remains cool to the touch, even in direct sunlight. The racing-style bolsters in Formula SR1 models snugly cushion and support the body, while the seat bottom adjusts infinitely at the touch of a button. Cabin seating meets exacting specifications for comfort, function, and beauty. Rich fabrics of ultra-suede and elegant upholstery weaves create an environment of luxury. Formula achieves the ultimate in magnificently executed seating systems. Contemporary cabinetry ingeniously combines form and function. Formula cabinetry is as beautiful as it is functional. Interior design consultants specify the most effectual cabinet configurations, materials, and construction methods. The clean, linear presentation and exact fit of all Formula cabinetry is largely attributable to the advanced three-dimensional CAD/CAM system, important both in design and construction. Plotted coordinates are stored in the CAD/CAM software, which controls the computerized routers. Accurate to within thousandths of an inch, the computerized routers cut, drill, and groove contemporary progressive laminates, high-grade plexiglass, and reflective acrylics identically to specification. Formula cabinets are designed to remain securely closed, and all interiors are illuminated as the door is opened. Further criteria of quality include concealed hinges, countersunk screws, and absolutely no exposed wood. Formula cabinetry presents a clean, elegant appearance that is truly ahead of its time. Exclusive production practices are vital to total product integrity. Formula's progressive assembly methods employ the latest in both chemical and mechanical technology. By utilizing a remarkable adhesive, AeroGrip, separate parts are effectively united into a permanent integral unit. Used in joining the deck and hull, this bond alone is as strong as any laminated area of the boat. In an additional step, quarter-inch stainless steel through bolts and stainless steel backing plates are also installed every 18 inches. This extra investment of time and materials results in a secure, unitized structure. Further demanding assembly methods include the use of flexible O-rings placed in countersunk holes to mold against the bolt for a durable, watertight seal. In addition, stainless fasteners and backing plates reinforce cleats and other hardware. Unlike the common practice of using screw assemblies and silicone seals, which eventually work loose with wear and vibration, the Formula system remains highly effective and can be adjusted without compromising the seal. Every Formula is a product of singular integrity, accomplished through exceptional manufacturing processes. Formula quality is defined through the evolution of product improvement. Throughout the production of a Formula, individuals at each station become active inspectors of their own work. Commissioned to impart and reinforce this quality-driven philosophy is Formula's product improvement team. These quality specialists prescribe improved procedures and elevated criteria for materials. Formula workers also volunteer to serve on problem-solving teams, or PSTs, to address specific production or quality challenges. The PST works from roundtable discussions and practical application to resolve the situation thoroughly and expediently. PSTs exist only until the specific problem is solved, with different workers serving on PSTs as the need arises. Through increased product awareness at all levels, Formula's goal is absolute quality. Extensive systems testing guarantees turnkey readiness. During a final systems check, every Formula boat is placed in one of 4 test tanks, a highly unusual practice in today's mass production facilities. Following an extensive checklist, trained technicians bring the engines to full running temperature, then check the oil pressure, timing, voltage, and shift linkage. A complete hands-on evaluation of instrumentation, electrical and water systems, and all other accessory functions is performed, and adjustments made as necessary. Finally, water is sprayed on the deck, confirming an overall watertight seal. A bold statement of personal choice. Formula Imron. Formula's exclusive Imron colors, developed especially to match Formula vinyls, are an accent feature on every boat. This standard Imron application eliminates all striping tape. Specially designed Imron graphics also are available in a wide range of color selections as a personal statement. DuPont's Imron, a premium polyester enamel, provides a hard, high-gloss finish which has been performance proven by over a decade of use on truck fleets and aircraft. The application of Formula's Imron graphics is an exacting multi-step process. Surface preparation involves the precise hand marking and masking of each specific design. The boat is then moved into a dust-free, climate-controlled environment where each color is sprayed in sequential order. Formula's exclusive Imron graphics are a bold, striking difference that places Formula apart. Final inspection earns the Formula emblem. No Formula is released without a final interior and exterior cleaning and a complete checklist inspection. Each area of construction is carefully examined for function and integrity. Any final details are addressed at this point before delivery approval. Only then does a Formula display Thunderbird's symbol of unmatched quality, the gleaming Formula and Thunderbird emblem. Shrink wrapping protects Formula quality. For complete protection during shipment, all Formulas are shrink wrapped with heavy gauge plastic. This sealed cover ensures that a Formula reaches its destination in the same excellent condition as when it was approved and released by the Formula team of employees. Because of this final step and a multi-level concern for quality, Formulas arrive at the dealership carefully loaded on company trucks, clean, pre-tested, and ready for ownership. Technical assistance supports Formula owners. Each dealer is assigned a company technical assistance representative who is ready with answers should a question of service arise. Thunderbird also provides an ongoing technical information program to dealers through an annual service seminar at the Formula facility, as well as through product bulletins and company communications. This facilitates the best possible servicing procedures for a Formula. Further, the Formula Reliability Center program assures Formula owners of prompt, expert service through their dealer. FRC dealerships are certified after special training and a demonstrated knowledge of Formula powerboats. These dealers also stock a recommended inventory of parts to keep Formula owners boating without lengthy interruption. Along with these extensive servicing advantages, a 3-year structural warranty is now standard on any new Formula. Thunderbird is a charter member of the National Marine Manufacturers Association and meets or exceeds all association certification requirements. This certification, displayed in each Formula, demonstrates a definite commitment to continuing product integrity and owner safety. Formula is the obvious leader in an